Steve, go. All right. Where's the sauerkraut? Got any sauerkraut? There's no sauerkraut, Steve. Oh, there's no sauerkraut. How about some mustard? Oh, no, Steve. You don't understand. You can't have any condiments in this bratwurst eating contest. You just gotta eat the bratwurst plain. No mustard, no sauerkraut, no ketchup, no nothing. Just bratwurst. Oh, okay then. I should have corrected myself. You also gotta eat the buns too. Oh, bunch and bunch. No problem. Steve, you can't drink the water. Well then, why is there water here? You can't drink the water, Steve, but you can soak your brats and your buns in it. What? That sounds disgusting. Well, I guess that just makes it easier for them to go down. I don't get any of this. Steve, I don't make the rules in the bratwurst eating contest. I just enforce it. And the rules say you got 3 minutes to eat as many bratwurst and buns as you can. You can't put anything on them, no ketchup, no mustard, no sauerkraut, and you can't have yourself a drink, but you can soak the brats and the buns. Now, this is a disgrace. I'm not going to have anything to do with it. No, stop. What an outrage. Well, I never. Well, looks like old Steve's out of this bratwurst eating contest. But that doesn't mean you are. You like to be a part of my bratwurst eating contest. You just use one of the hashtags, tick Oktoberfest, or Vic's Brat Contest. And just shoot a 3-minute video of yourself eating as many brats and buns as you can. Remember, no condiments, no mustard, no sauerkraut, no ketchup, no cocktail sauce, and you can't have a drink. All right, who wants to be